You ever tried moving a home gym and suddenly it feels like you're relocating a small building? Yeah, same. So if you're staring at your Bowflex Xtreme 2 SE right now thinking, how do I even take this thing apart without breaking it or myself? Don't worry, I already went through the struggle so you don't have to. And trust me, there is a right way to do this. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, clear your space. You'll need room around the machine because once you start removing parts, things get awkward fast. Grab a wrench set and maybe a screwdriver, nothing fancy. Next, remove all attachments. Take off the lat bar, straight bar handles, straps, basically anything hanging or detachable. This makes the machine lighter and way easier to manage. Step 3, detach the seat and leg extensions. Step 3, release tension from the power rods. This part is important. Make sure there's zero tension in the rods. Unhook the cables carefully. Don't just yank them unless you want a surprise slap from resistance. Not fun. Next, detach the seat and leg extension. The seat usually slides or unscrews off. Same with leg extension system. These parts come off pretty clean and instantly makes the machine look less intimidating. Next, disconnect the cables and pulleys. Now we're getting serious. Carefully unthread the cables from the pulley system. The good thing about this machine is a no-change cable system, so you're not dealing with complicated rerouting. Just take your time and remember where things go. Next, remove the power rod box. This is the heart of the machine. Unscrew the housing and carefully separate it from the frame. It's a bit heavy, so don't try to be a hero. Lift smart. Next, break down the main frame. Now you can start unscrewing the main structure, top frame, side supports, base. Work section by section. Don't rush this part or you'll end up with a pile of metal and confusion. And that's it. No stress, no broken parts, no I regret buying this moment. Final thoughts, the Bowflex Xtreme 2 SE is actually pretty well designed for disassembly. It looks complex, but once you go step by step, it's surprisingly manageable. So yeah, if you're moving, upgrading, or just reclaiming your space, now you know exactly what to do. And hey, if you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people staring at that machine right now. Catch you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend help support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.